Good morning, good morning. Pang 10 araw nila guys. So, linagyan natin ng mga kwentas. Ibig sabihin is mayroon ng pag-aari, nagmamayari. Yun.
I look into your eyes and could not ask
Dalawa na lang yung available, dalawang female.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line.
So, meron na
Hold on,
isa,
I'm gonna need a little
dalawa,
time.
tatlo, apat, lima, anim.
But if I ever fall in love again,
Siyam na yung mayroon.
sometime when this broken heart can end,
Available.
I know it's gonna be with you.
Yung bunso, pinakamaliit. Baka ito lang yung matira sa akin. Maliit. So, dalawa na lang yung available guys na female. Yan. O, pang 10 araw nila ngayon. Bye bye.